This review is based on extensive feedback gathered from users across the internet regarding the ENNSOO adjustable thumbs-up lazy cell phone stand for desk. This product is a set of 4 colorful, playful phone stands designed with a thumbs-up shape that aims to combine functionality with a fun aesthetic. The stands are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and e-readers from 4 to 10 inches, making them suitable for popular brands like iPhone, iPad, Huawei, and Samsung. The material used is a durable, eco-friendly silicone that is flexible enough to allow frequent adjustments without losing shape. Users appreciate the customizable viewing angles, which support both vertical and horizontal orientations, making these stands versatile for video calls, watching movies, or reading. Many users have praised the product for its sturdy build quality and the secure grip provided by the soft silicone hands, which prevent scratches and slips. The stands hold phones securely even with bulky cases, such as the OtterBox, and are reported to keep devices upright without tipping over. The lightweight and compact design make these stands easy to carry and store, adding to their convenience for use at home, in the office, or on the go. The thumbs-up design is often highlighted as a unique and fun addition to any workspace or room, with several reviewers noting that the bright colors and playful shape add a cheerful touch. The fact that the product comes in a pack of 4 is appreciated for gifting purposes or for use in multiple locations. Many users have found these stands to be particularly useful for hands-free viewing, making them ideal for multitasking scenarios such as cooking, snacking, or working. However, there are some limitations noted by users. While the stands work well for phones, holding devices horizontally can be more challenging, especially for larger or heavier devices. The opening of the thumbs-up hands is not very large, which means phones do not always sit fully in the grooves, sometimes resulting in a less secure hold. This design also makes the stands less suitable for tablets, despite the product's claim of compatibility with devices up to 10 inches. Some users feel that the product is somewhat overpriced given these limitations and suggest that other phone stands might offer better value or more secure holding mechanisms. In terms of usability, the stands are straightforward to use. The flexible silicone allows users to spread the hands apart to fit the width of their device and insert the phone easily. Adjusting the angle is simple and effective, supporting different orientations for various activities. The stands have been successfully used in educational settings, such as homeschool stop-motion classes, where their size and grip have been appreciated for holding phones steady during filming. Overall, the ENNSOO adjustable thumbs-up lazy cell phone stand is well received for its combination of fun design, solid build quality, and practical functionality. It is especially popular among teenagers and gadget enthusiasts who enjoy quirky accessories. While there are some concerns about the fit for larger devices and horizontal positioning, the stands perform well for everyday hands-free phone use. The product's quick delivery and good packaging have also been positively noted. If you own this product, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to purchase is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This phone stand is a charming and functional accessory that adds personality to your desk setup while providing reliable support for your devices.